Man, okay, so our topic actually focus on chapter 8, ano? Just pure discussion. Wait. So, business, no, consumer protection and competition law. Consumer protection and competition law governs how business interact with customers and competitors within a regulated market environment. These laws exist to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in commercial transaction. For business, no professionals, understanding these rules is essential because legal compliance directly affects reputation, profitability, and long-term sustainability. So, consumer protection focuses on safeguarding buyers from deceptive, unfair, and unsafe practices. So, competition law, on the other hand, ensures that markets remain open and fair by preventing abusive dominance and collusion. Together, these legal frameworks promote trust in the marketplace. Businesses that ignore these principles often face disputes, penalties, and loss of consumer confidence. For leaders, compliance is not just legal obedience but sound risk management. In real business setting, consumer protection laws influence daily operations such as pricing, advertising, product design, and after-sales service. Every marketing claim made by a business carries legal implications. No? Professional must understand that exaggerated or misleading claims can be treated as deceptive practices. Consumers today are more informed and empowered, making transparency a business necessity rather than a courtesy. No? Competition law likewise shape strategic decisions related to pricing, mergers, and market expansions. Firm must balance aggressive competitions with lawful conduct. Ethical competition benefits both customers and businesses. So sustainable growth depends on local market behavior. Consumer protection laws are grounded in the principles that consumer often have less information and bargaining power than businesses. And this imbalance justify legal safeguards to protect buyers from exploitation. And these laws require businesses to provide accurate information about products and services. They also impose standards of safety, quality, and fairness. No, for professionals, this means consumer rights must be integrated into business strategy. And compliance is not limited to avoiding penalties but extend to building customer loyalty. Companies that respect consumer rights often outperform those that do not. Legal awareness therefore support competitive advantage. One core aspect of consumer protection is truthful advertising. Ano po? Businesses must ensure that all promotional materials reflect reality and do not mislead our consumers. False claims about product benefits, pricing, or guarantees expose firms to liability. Even omissions of material information may constitute deception. So professionals should train marketing teams to align creativity with legal standards. So clear disclaimers and accurate representations protect both consumers and the businesses. So ethical advertising builds trust in long-term brand value. So misrepresentation, even if unintentional, can lead to costly dispute. Product safety is another critical component of consumer protection law. Businesses are responsible for ensuring that products do not pose unreasonable risk to consumers. And this obligation extends from design and manufacturing to distribution and use. Because failure to meet no safety standards may result in recalls, liability claims, and or regulatory sanctions. So professional must prioritize quality control system, and risk assessment and compliance audits help prevent harm. So consumer safety is both a legal duty and a moral obligation because neglecting safety undermines public trust. No, pricing practices are closely regulated under consumer protection laws. No, businesses must clearly disclose price, fees, and charges before transactions occur. Hidden charges or misleading discounts are considered unfair practices. So, the professionals should ensure that pricing strategies are transparent and consistent. Clear billing statement reduce disputes and enhance credibility. So ethical pricing strengthen customer relationship. And deceptive pricing tactics may yield short-term gains but cause long-term damage. Lawful pricing support sustainable revenue. After sales service is also regulated under consumer protection law. Warranties, no, return policies, and remedies must be honored as promised. So businesses that ignore post-sale obligation risk legal complaints. So professional should design customer service systems that respond promptly and fairly. So complaint handling mechanism reduce escalation. So fair treatment or of dissatisfied customers, no, preserve reputation, and legal compliance reinforce service quality, and customer loyalty often depends on how problems are resolved. So, an example of a consumer protection case, no? The case actually is a consumer purchased an electronic device advertised as waterproof, but it malfunctions after minimal water exposure. So what will be the issue? No? Whether the advertisement constituted a deceptive trade practice. What will be the ruling of the court? No? The court ruled that the claim was misleading because the product was only water resistant under limited condition. So ano yung doctrine natin dito? Advertising claims must be accurate and supported by evidence. So application with us, business must ensure that promotional description match actual product capabilities. Lesson, marketing exaggeration can result in legal liability. So business insight, no, clear and precise advertising protects consumer trust. No? Leadership takeaway, accuracy and communication is a legal and ethical responsibility. How about competition law? Competition law complements consumer protection by regulating how businesses compete with one another. Its primary objective is to preserve healthy market rivalry. Fair competition encourage innovation, no, efficiency, and better consumer choices. Professional must understand that competition law does not prohibit success or market leadership. It prohibits abuse of power and unfair practices. Lawful competition benefits the entire economy. So ethical rivalry promotes progress and market dominance must be exercised responsibly. One major concern under competition law is price fixing. No, agreement among competitors to control prices undermine market freedom. So such arrangement harm consumer by eliminating genuine choice. So professionals must avoid both explicit and implicit coordination with competitors. Even informal discussions about pricing may raise legal concern. So compliance programs help prevent violations. Ethical leadership discourages collusions. Independent decision-making support local competition. Market dominance itself is not illegal. A company may lawfully achieve dominance through efficiency or innovation, and legal issues arise when dominant firms abuse their position. Example include predatory pricing or refusal to deal. No, professionals must evaluate competitive strategies carefully. Abuse of dominance attracts regulatory scrutiny. Fair dealing must guide market behavior, and responsible leadership balances power with accountability. Anti-competitive mergers and acquisitions are also regulated. Consolidation that significantly reduces competition may be restricted. Businesses must assess legal risk before pursuing mergers. Professionals should conduct competition impact analysis. So regulatory approval may be required. No? Transparency during merger reviews build trust. Strategic growth must align with legal standards. Sustainable expansion respect market fairness. Di ba may mga bangko nagme-merge? No? Okay. Unfair trade practices distort competition. So practices such as exclusive dealing or typing arrangement may harm market access. So professionals should assess contractual arrangement for legality. So agreements must allow fair competition, restrictive practices invite legal challenge, and ethical contracts promote balanced relationship. Fair access benefits innovation, lawful practices strengthen markets. No? Competition law also protects small and medium enterprises. So smaller firms often face disadvantages against dominant players. So legal safeguards prevent market exclusion. Professionals should view competition law as enabling fair opportunity. So inclusive markets drive economic growth. So ethical leadership supports diversity in business, and fair competition foster entrepreneurship. Market openness benefits the society. Compliance with competition law requires internal governance system. No, businesses should establish compliance programs and training. Employees must understand legal boundaries, risk assessment help identify potential violations, and reporting mechanisms encourage accountability. Ethical culture reduces legal exposure, and leadership commitment is essential. Compliance strengthens organizational integrity. The case example on the competition law, the case about competing distributors agreed to maintain uniform resale prices. The issue whether the agreement violated competition principles. The ruling, the agreement was deemed anti-competitive because it restricted price competition. The doctrine, price fixing agreements are prohibited regardless of intent. Application, business must independently determine pricing. Lesson, coordination among competitors undermines market fairness. Business insight, compliance avoids severe penalties. Leadership takeaway, independent judgment is a legal requirements. Now, consumer protection and competition law intersect in many business situations. Unfair competition often harms consumer indirectly. So deceptive practices distort market choice. Professional must consider both frameworks together. Compliance requires integrated legal understanding. Ethical conduct bridges both areas. Businesses must compete honestly while serving consumers fairly. Balance strategy support local operation. Digital markets present new challenges, no? Because online platforms amplify consumer reach and competition intensity, no? Digital advertising must still comply with truthfulness standards, no? Pricing algorithm must not facilitate collusion, no? Professional must monitor technological risk, and compliance in digital environment requires vigilance. Ethical innovation support trust. Law adapts to evolving markets. Data usage affects both consumer protection and competition. Misuse of consumer data violates trust and legal standards. Dominant firms controlling data may distort competition. Professional must manage data responsibly, and transparency in data practices build confidence. Ethical data governance reduces risk. Compliance protect privacy and fairness. Responsible data use support sustainability. Cross-border commerce introduce additional complexity. Businesses operating international must consider varying standards. So harmonization efforts exist, but differences remain. Professionals should assess jurisdictional requirements. So legal counsel support compliance. So ethical practices transcend borders. Global trust depends on local conduct. International operations required heightened awareness. Wait. Okay. Enforcement mechanism reinforce consumer protection and competition law. So regulators investigate complaints and impose sanction. Business may face fines or corrective orders, and our professionals should cooperate with investigations. Transparency reduces reputational harm. Dispute resolution mechanism offer alternatives. Early compliance prevents escalation. Proactive engagement support credibility. No? Uh, Case digest, no, or the case, no, related to combined application. The case actually dominant retailer, no, advertise exclusive discount while secretly restricting competitors access. That is the case. The issue whether the conduct violated consumer and competition laws. the ruling, no, the conduct was unlawful due to deception and market foreclosure, no. Doctrine, practices harming consumer and competition are prohibited. Application, transparency, and fairness must coexist. Lesson, integrated compliance is essential. Business insight, shortcuts invite liability. And takeaway, strategy must respect law and ethics. Okay, how about the corporate governance, no? Corporate governance plays a central role in compliance, no? Boards must oversee consumer and competition risks, no? Policies guide lawful behavior and monitoring ensure accountability. Professionals should integrate compliance into strategy. So governance failures invite liability, ethical oversight strengthen trust, leadership commitment drives compliance. Risk management framework should include legal risk because consumer complaints and competition issues signal vulnerabilities. Early detection prevents escalation. Professional must analyze trends. Continuous improvement enhances resilience and compliance support reputation. Ethical management reduces volatility. Lawful practices stabilize your operations. Stakeholder engagement reinforce compliance. Consumers, regulators, and competitors shape market norms. Right. Open communication, build confidence, no? Uh, Professionals should listen to feedback. Transparency foster cooperations. Ethical engagement reduces conflict and trust sustain relationships. Law support dialogue. Crisis management often involves consumer and competition law issues actually. Product recalls or investigation, test leadership. So preparedness, reduce damage. So professionals should respond promptly. Honest communication preserve credibility. Ethical response limits fallout and compliance guides action. Leadership integrity matters. So consumer protection and competition law evolve with markets. No, professional must stay informed. Legal updates affect strategy. Continuous learning support adaptability. Ethical awareness enhances judgment and compliance is dynamic. So leadership requires vigilance. So for business professional, consumer protection and competition law are not constrained but frameworks for sustainable success. This law protects trust, fairness, and opportunity because ethical compliance aligns profit with responsibility. Professionals who understand these principles lead with confidence. Lawful conduct reduces risk, fair competition drives innovation, consumer trust builds loyalty, responsible leadership ensures long-term viability. Okay, so I think that's it for consumer topic. Consumer protection and competition law.